Introducing console input and output in C++.
Interacting with users through the console is a fundamental part of programming in C++. Two key features make this possible: cin and cout. These objects let you read data from the keyboard and display messages or results on the screen. Mastering them helps you create interactive programs and understand user-driven processes in C++.
What is cout?
Cout is used to display information on the screen. It stands for character output. When you want to show a message or output the result of a calculation, you use cout along with the insertion operator, which looks like two less than signs. Then, example, typing cout hello shows hello to the user.
How to use cin for input?
This stands for character input and is used to get data from the user via the keyboard. The extraction operator, ... takes the input and stores it in a variable. For example, cin ... age waits for the user to enter a value, which is then stored in the variable age for later use in the program.
Combining cin and cout for interaction.
You can combine cin and cout to make your programs interactive. For example, prompt the user using cout, then read their response with cin. A simple example: cout. Enter your name, cin.name. This sequence asks the user for input and then stores their response in the variable name.
Common pitfalls and best practices.
It's important to be mindful of input types and formatting. Cin stops reading input at spaces, so use getLine for full sentences. Always check that input is what you expect, especially for numbers or critical data. Clear instructions with cout and valid input checks make your programs user-friendly and robust.